Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is the Windows 8 news for July 24th, 2013. And so what do we have in the news on this late July? Summer is usually pretty quiet, and nothing too much is happening in the past month or so, especially since Microsoft developer and build conferences. And what we had in news, first of all, is the earnings for Microsoft, and one of the Windows 8 related news on the earnings is the fact that they are losing, or actually will put a charge of $900 million because of Windows RT tablets, which means they have millions of those somewhere in a warehouse that's unsold. And they've actually lowered the price of the Windows RT tablet to $349 instead of $499. Is it a good buy? I'm still thinking that at $349 a Windows RT tablet is a little too expensive. It's not a PC, it's really on an ARM architecture, which means that you can't really run your favorite Windows programs on it. I would say that more than 200 for it is too much. Yet it seems there's no talk about the Windows Pro tablet, the Surface Pro. So we don't know how that's going, although we're thinking all the news points to the fact that they've underestimated the Surface Pro sales, which means that they were always out of stock for the first weeks and months. And they really overestimated the Windows RT tablet sales, which basically are stayed on the shelves. So 900 million is a big number for a charge, but it's pretty small when you make billions and billions. What's the other news coming from the Microsoft information channel? There's talk about the continuation to Windows 8.1 and also the commitment of Microsoft to continue Windows RT. So I believe Windows RT is, even though a lot of analysts say Windows RT is dead, well, Microsoft doesn't think so and will continue with Windows RT. So Windows 8.1 will have its Windows 8.1 for RT available at the same time as Windows 8.1. Windows 8.1 news, well, we're still in the previews, and it seems that a lot of people are downloading Windows 8.1 and trying it out. It's basically a really cool way of trying out Windows 8. If you haven't tried it yet, it's free of charge in the download in the Microsoft Store, and on the Microsoft website you can download the ISO file for burning and then installing on any PCs that has the minimum requirements. So 32-bit and 64-bit versions are available. Go and get it if you want to try it out and see what Windows 8 feels like. It's a great way. What other news we have in Windows 8? Still no official release date for Windows 8.1. So there was for a while the talk about August 1st. That seems to have disappeared somewhere in the news channels. So we don't really know when Windows 8.1 will come out. They're talking about this fall. So some people are speculating somewhere in late October. A lot of people want, and actually Microsoft probably wants to have the Windows 8.1 out before Christmas, of course, which would be the best. And well, not much more coming up out of Windows 8 for the time being. Like I said, for Windows 8.1, when it comes out, and the old news, don't forget that it will come bundled with Internet Explorer 11. So I've done a few tests that are online about Windows Internet Explorer 11. It's still in the beta version, so there's lots of stuff that doesn't work quite right. So for the time being, it's not the best available browser, because some of the quirks and quarks are not really done yet. So there's some bugs, and there's some actually some websites don't show up well. That hopefully will be fixed when we have the official release of Windows 8.1 and Internet Explorer 11. And for those that are still on Windows 7, still no news of a date of Internet Explorer 11, but there's a lot of talk that Windows Internet Explorer 11 will actually be available eventually for Windows 7. When? That is the good question. And finally, well, we don't have much more about what's happening in the Windows 8 world for this summer. Summer's quiet time for about all tech companies. With the June release of the Windows 8.1 preview, we're still off into a quiet period now, and so nothing really happening much. And finally, if you're looking for a Windows 8 PC or laptop, well, we're getting into the fall season soon. Back to school specials will be there, and especially being fall and Christmas, I expect really a lot of new devices out there, from full-blown laptops to ultrabooks, and even maybe tablets from different manufacturers using Windows 8 and its Windows 8 Touch capability. And of course, when Windows 8.1 comes out, we will have new machines with Windows 8.1 pre-installed, so that's going to be interesting. And of course, for all Windows 8 users, don't forget, when Windows 8.1 ships out, it's a free upgrade to all Windows 8 users, which is good news if you already have that Windows 8 machine. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy our videos and that you'll come back to the official Windows 8 channel, and that everything is going well with your Windows 8 machine. Well, thanks for watching, and hope you come back. Bye-bye.